Hi everybody! Of course you already know that AI is taking over the world. So, in case you want to try it out for yourself, there's a free site that you can use called ChatGPT.com. Of course you want to make sure that you're logged in down at the far left bottom corner. Okay? You can use Google, Facebook, whatever to log in. That gives you up to about 20 free thumbnails that you can actually create. So we're going to take one of my thumbnails and we're just going to kind of juice it up a little bit with AI, okay? So we're going to choose the actual picture. Just go and hit the plus sign there. You can add photos and files. So we're just going to add the picture. I'm going to go ahead and select it. For example, I have this picture right here of the Polaris razor, and we're going to just type the following into this little section right here. Enhance and spice up this image. We're going to press enter, allow AI to do its thing. It generally takes about 30 seconds. Okay. Make sure you are paying attention to proper spelling. And if everything looks okay to you, we can actually click on this, blow it up a little more, just to kind of look at the fine details of everything. Or if you want to make changes, you can come down to describe edits and make those changes right there. So if something is improperly misspelled, then you can come down here and actually tell it what to correct and take out of the equation. Same way with, you may get some sort of issue with ChatGPT. It may be against some of their rules and policies. So all you do, go up here, hit the download button, and there you go. It'll automatically save to your computer wherever you choose for your downloads to save to. Thanks guys for tuning in.